Good afternoon to all. As we all know that we have started our new topic, that is the use of microbes in sewage treatment. Okay, and in my PowerPoint presentation I have told that how to treat your sewage before disposing it into natural bodies such as pond, ocean and river. Okay, through this activity I will tell you how to do this process. Okay, the process of sewage treatment involves two parts, that is primary treatment and secondary treatment. Okay, this is your sewage. What is sewage? It is a waste municipal water. Your primary treatment involves two processes, that is filtration and sedimentation. What is filtration? Here I will pour this sewage here, okay, and I will filter it. This large debris I will separate it out, okay, but still it contains small pebbles and soil, okay, and for this for its separation I will allow it to keep for longer duration in a settling tank. After some time, okay, after longer duration I will observe that sewage has been divided into two parts, that is supernatant and primary sludge. Okay, this supernatant, it is your floating part, also known as primary effluent, and this down one is your primary sludge. Clear? Now this primary effluent contain organic matter, okay, and for the consumption of this organic matter I want some bacteria. For this I will pour this primary effluent into your aeration tank. Now your secondary treatment has been started. Your secondary treatment involves three tanks, that is aeration tank, settling tank and anaerobic sludge digester. Your aerobic tank, as the name suggests, that it will lead to the production of air, that is oxygen, by the continuous agitation, okay, of this. I will allow it to agitate. When I will agitate it, it will produce more and more oxygen, and that oxygen will lead to the production of the aerobic bacteria. And then after some time I will observe that organic matter of this primary effluent has been decreased. And here I will use one more parameter, that is BOD, that is biological oxygen demand. Okay, it means that now BOD of this primary effluent has been decreased. If BOD has been decreased, it means it is less polluted. Clear? So I will allow it to settle in my settling tank too. I will keep it for longer duration, and again it will divide into two parts, that is your activated sludge, and this activated sludge contain flocks. This is, okay, these are your aerobic bacteria, flocks of that. Clear? And after this I am able to drain this secondary effluent into natural bodies. And then what is the use of these aerobic bacteria? A part of this I will pour in my aeration tank, okay, as a starter, so that more and more aerobic bacteria can produce in shorter time, and excess of it I will pour in an anaerobic sludge digester. Clear? And this sludge digester, anaerobic sludge digester, contain various anaerobic bacteria. They will consume this aerobic bacteria, and it will lead to the production of the biogases such as carbon dioxide, H2S and etc. And that is used in our household items. Clear? So here I have finished up with my treatment of sewage. I hope so that you enjoyed. You can also perform this at your home. Hope so you have enjoyed. Thank you and have a nice day.